Hi guys, welcome to Center Maktab. Our Karmi Sharath from Kerala. Hello friends, today we can study how to fix four-way indicator lights when we put reverse gear on. So for that purpose, please watch this wiring diagram. See, for this purpose we want one 2-point switching relay. This is that relay, 12 volt DC 200 ohms relay. See, this is that relay. This relay have 8 points. That 8 points we have 2 switching point and 2 coil point. So this is the wiring system for that relay. That relay I already told 8 points for 2 points that was coil. See, I written here. This is the switching point and the inside is the coil point. See, this is the coil. So this is the right point. This reverse we need to give connection like this. The one reverse gear light switch plus we will give coil on side. Another side we can give on the earth body. When you reverse gear on, the actually take the coil through the reverse body, and that switch will attract coil will attract the switching point, and the flasher connection will give through the switch to the indicator in left side and right side. So see how I connect this already looped like this. That is the indicator left and indicator right point. Before you doing this work, please watch this diagram and connect the relay like that. After we need to be connected on the for that purpose, this is the wire for front to back. For this lightings or brakes, indicator, all like that. This is the flasher unit. We already see that there was a flasher unit point that we will take on here. That connection will take on this flasher. So before connecting, we need to understand which is the reverse switch light, which one is the indicator left and right. For that purpose, we need one testing lamp. The rest lamp positive, the negative will I connect to the body. First, I want to find out that indicator. For that purpose, I turn on the indicator switch. I am checking which wire, like this. If I got that wire, the light will blink. Same like indicator. See, this is one indicator light. We can find out another one also. See, this is another one. That one is green with yellow, and I think another one is green with red. Before this is my Malayalam video. Now I just editing and give English voice. That's why I forget. This is a checking procedure. Like this, we need to check that reverse gear also. For that purpose, we need to on that ignition key, and we need to put reverse gear on the reverse gear position. So this is that reverse gear. After I got this all wire, we can give connection. Same like the diagram. See, after on the reverse light will stop. So this is the reverse switch wire. After that, can put the wiring harness, and we can this is the wire and the indicator also. After we can give connection to that two-way indicator. Two-way relay. Right is here at Kerala, 80 rupees. We will do this work on 80 rupees for some pipes. So I will give that 2 indicator switch wire on the to the relay. See, one is the green with yellow and another one is green with white, I think. So this is the reverse gear lane, late lane. After this is the flasher unit. I saw that wiring diagram going to the flasher unit. That is going to on the flasher. For fixing, this is the socket for the flasher unit. Fuse box. So I fix one wire on the diagram on the flasher unit L, lettering L side. After this, I am going to fix on the socket of the flasher unit. See, like this. Just press. So the flasher unit connection will done. After that, we have an earthing point. I put on the reverse light connection also, and we need to fix with proper insulation. After that, I need to there was one wire balance. That wire going from the coil. It's we need to put on the earth. Body earth. I am going to fix the body earth. So see how I fix that body earth. So our connection giving already done. Before fixing this one, we need to check is it working or not. So I am going to check is it working or not. So I want to go indicate this key on. I already on the key, and at that time I put on the reverse gear. So at that time the 4 indicator also working. So not for our vehicle, car have 6 indicators. That 6 indicators are also working. Some shutter lock vehicles has this system have already, but normal vehicle didn't have this system. For fixing this system, we have only need less than 100 rupees. So if you like this system fix on the vehicle, it is very easy to fixing. Before fixing, we need to study that wiring diagram properly. So guys, I think you can do alone. I don't know speak very well in English, but some guys on other states told to me, please speak on English language. So I am going to try on English. So if you don't understand my language, please comment. I can swap on the English. I will only do my video on the Malayalam. This video already done on the Malayalam before. So Kerala people will watch Malayalam for proper. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.